Hello guys, we are back. Just took a short break to eat there, but we are back. Okay. We are back. Okay. So where were we? We were okay, so hey Melis, thank you. Alright, let's go back. Alright, so I opened up our tutorial project. So I don't know what this, oh, okay. So let's start working on the login menu, I guess. So no problem, MLS, no problem. All right. So we're on this login UI here. So we're gonna do. I'm gonna get rid of some stuff. Let's get rid of that. We'll make this. Actually, maybe I don't want to get. I'll keep that. I'll keep that stuff actually. Okay. Yeah, I'll keep this stuff for now. Yeah. So I have a HUD. So let's see here. So I got a HUD, I got a menu widget class. So this is the big one here. So this blueprint, I believe, is parented as, oh, what is this? This one is, I'm pretty sure this blueprint is parented as a menu widget. So I will, okay, I think I want to do this because, is there a way to make this invisible for now? Just for now, honestly. Visible, okay. Let's make it hidden. Wait. You can still see it though. Oh shoot, okay, I'm editing the wrong thing. Visibility. It's hidden. Okay, I don't know. But I'm gonna change some things here. Hey guys, so I'm working on a login UI right now. That's basically what I'm doing. So I'll make username here. This stuff, I want to keep it, but I don't want it to actually be like visible, so like hidden, like will this work? Then I'll make these invisible for now. This one, same thing, I'll make this invisible, so nope. So these things should be invisible, so let's make that invisible. Hey Anchor, welcome back. Working on a basic login UI. Okay, so let's make another editable text box here. Nah, you're good, Anchor. You're good. I literally just restarted, so you're good. Why is this invisible? Wait, what? Oh, shoot. Hey, citizen of Earth. How you doing? Why is this one invisible, then? The heck? I'm sorry, guys. I'm very stupid. Clearly. Wait, what? I'm so confused. Why was that invisible? Why is this text box that I just added invisible? Am I stupid? I mean, probably, but... Why is this invisible? I'm so confused. Hey, Beast, welcome back. That's not invisible. Why is this invisible then? Wait, I selected the wrong one. Sorry, guys. I'm an idiot. Meant to select the text box. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that, guys. That was me being stupid. This will be password, guys. This one will be username. So 400 by 50. I think I'll just do the same ones for that one. This is password. Oh boy, text font. What do we got here? 22. Okay, 22. Control Shift. I'll make this. Wait, if it's 50 tall, I'll make it like 100. Actually, I'll make it big. All good, Beast. All good. I had to take a short break, so it's all good. Ooh. Oh, whoops. They don't mean to do that. No, that's 50. That should be 50. This one. Okay, I think that's good. And then I'll add some like random text somewhere. Text. I'll make it like. Log in with Google credentials. That is the most sketchiest piece of text ever, but that's okay. Like I'll make this like, how long is this? 400. 400. Honestly, I'll just make this take up the whole width of the page, honestly. Wait, what? How big? Oh, 1920. Then I'll put it like right. And then I'll center the text. I'll definitely make this bigger, like 200 or something. And then I'll make it. Oh, does it only center it horizontally? Is there no option to center it like vertically as well, this text? Okay, that didn't do anything. Wait, isn't there a way to center text vertically? Anyway, I'll make the text font like way bigger, like 50. Okay, that's fine though. And I'll make it like 100 or something. And honestly, at that point, I might as well just. Yeah, I think that's fine. Text block, login, greeting, I guess. Okay. Yeah, I kind of like that. Let me just save that. Make sure that runs. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Citizen of Earth. You were right. Okay. That looks good. That's the sketchiest login screen ever, but it will get the job done. Okay. Let's move forward then. Text has to be inside something like a size box to vertically center, I think. Thank you, Citizen of Earth. Thank you for that. Hopefully I'll remember, but knowing me, I will probably forget that very useful tidbit you just sent me. Okay. So we're in the go to world settings. I overrode this, right? Yep. Okay. Let me check my default game mode class real quick. Thank you. Thank you, Citizen. I just want to check my packaging settings. Maps and modes, default game mode. Okay, yeah, so there's a default game mode. That's why I overrode it. Okay, let's go. Okay, menu HUD. Menu game mode. Just a warning, guys, I haven't looked at all the code, thoroughly in quite some time, so excuse me if I'm kind of all over the place, so. Menu HUD. Okay, so UI menu, yep. Show mouse cursor, yep. Create widget. Add to viewport. Yep, that sounds pretty right. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot the button. Whoops. Let me add a button. Log in. Same deal, put it in the middle, but this time we'll make it 200. Might make this a little bigger. 200? Maybe like 100? 80? I think that looks good. And then I will put some text. Fantastic. Log in. I might make this a little, no, not that big. 30. I think 30 is good for that. Okay. Okay, we got some stuff. Mouse cursor. Just want to make sure menu game mode. Okay, so it's literally just a HUD in this level, which is what I want. I just want a HUD with one widget right now. Is this one. So I'm probably gonna modify this a little bit, honestly. Just get rid of all this crap, because this is old stuff used in the old tutorial, and clearly it's just not relevant anymore. Definitely keep this constructor. Menu HUD. Okay, that one's good. Menu game mode. Anything significant here? Oh, no, I just looked at that. Alright, menu widgets. Okay. So, and I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff, obviously. Like, literally all of it. Up to here. And I'm probably... Ooh, you know what I should... no, that's fine. No, let's get rid of all this stuff for now. Actually, I'll keep the... any stuff in the if macro, the if with GameLift client macro for now. I think in the future, though, that'll definitely be changed, but I think for now, that's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna build this again. Build. Oh, meant to get rid of this as well. Starting from... Actually, maybe I shouldn't get rid of it. Actually, no. Definitely want to keep this. Yeah, definitely want to keep this. In the meantime, let me look up Unreal Engine text box, C++, because I gotta find a way to actually get the text. Okay, you editable text box? Perfect. I like that. Oh, is password. I didn't know that was a thing. Wait, is that in here? Is password? Didn't even know that was a field. Oh. Hey, welcome back, Mills. So, is password. I asked for this. It shouldn't even be username. It should be email, right? Yes, Millis. Yes, I am. This is email. I didn't even know there was an is password box. Where was that? Is password? That's appearance. Appearance. Wow, appearance is a very big section here. Oh my word, this is huge. Oh, don't you guys love that, the ringing noise? Does anyone know that noise actually? When you compile and then it makes like that ringing noise. I think it's like a bell. Or like maybe some bells, like Christmas bells, kind of. Anyone know what it is? I always wondered because I like that noise a lot. Google OAuth and token endpoints and returns the IT token client. Okay, just a note in the login UI, need to reparent the blueprint widget using C++ class. Make sure widget is added to viewport in HUD class in C++. Make sure... Wait, do I even have that song sound on? No, because I have desktop audio muted. Nah, I'll be okay. Make sure... reparented. Make sure to add a function to be called button click in widget C++ class. For password, user input box, make sure to enable is password in widget blueprint. That's definitely important. Oh, another thing is visibility setting only is run at runtime to hide stuff in widget. In editor, click the eye icon. Okay. Okay, so we're good on that. This is useless, so keep that. Okay, let's add some variables here. Let's make a button. I'll just make it the login button for now. That's easy. I don't think I need f of n anymore. I'll comment that out. F event is used for like multi-threading, so I don't think I really need that. I had the use of before because when I was calling the GameLift SDK directly, so when you make a game session, it's not synchronous, so you have to constantly check the status of your game session before you can actually join it. Okay, and then we have the editable text box. So with this guy, let's get rid of it, honestly. So I'll go with email text box, password text box. Okay, I think that's literally all I need. Actually, I think I might need everything because yeah, I'm gonna need the text block as well. Login text block. I'm getting all the I don't know what to call these, the widgets. I'm getting all the widgets in the widget. Or technically this is called a UMG, right? I think what is this called? Nope, widgets in the widget. Yeah. I'm getting all of these so that upon successful login, I'll hide all of these, and all those widgets that I made invisible, I'll make them visible again. So, okay. Just making sure hidden widgets, they're not clickable, right? Like if you make a button hidden, and there was some function tied to it, it wouldn't be invoked, right? If you clicked on the spot it was hidden in. I just want to make sure. I highly doubt it, but yes, Anchor, I will use a bool. Okay. So I need to get literally all of these. Yes, Anchor. I know. Thank you, citizen. Password text box. Login button. Password login button. Okay. Let me just make sure what I call these. Editable text box. I'm literally just gonna copy them straight from here because. I'm probably gonna need an import for that, right? That's fine. I don't think I need these. Yeah, I don't think I need these at the moment. I might need engine/engine.h later for gengine to like print stuff out later maybe. Wait, so what's the print statement? Or what's the include statement for this? What? Do they not have the include? Oh yeah, they do. Editable text box. Okay. Okay, and then the last one is the login greeting. And this is type, oh, what the heck? This is type text block. Text block. View text block. Alright, and then I need an import for that as well, probably. So I'm just gonna go text block. Let's just compile it. And then we'll hear that ringing sound again. Should I just turn my desktop audio on? I want you guys to hear the beautiful ringing sound when this compiles successfully. I want you guys to hear it. This is my favorite sound. Oh, do you guys hear that? Oh my goodness, that was beautiful. Music to my ears. One of the greatest sounds ever. Okay. I'm too obsessed with that. Okay, so I think that's fine. I will make a function now, probably for that. If I remember the syntax. The sound of success. I agree. Let's make this a U function. Wait. Just want to go back for a reference. Void login, I guess. And maybe I'll have it taking 2 strings. But how would they get passed? Oh, wait, no, I know. Okay, F string email password. Okay. Should these be U properties, or does it not matter? I don't really know, to be quite honest. Does it matter? Yeah, why not? I'll make them U properties. I don't think it really matters, but yeah, whatever. I don't think it does, but I feel like I see U property everywhere. I know it has to do something with like Unreal's garbage collection, but yeah, I'll just keep it. Why is this? I think. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with that. Man, Visual Studio is so slow. I just want to Google something real quick. When to use U property. need to expose them to blueprints. Same with U function, right? I mean, there's no point in actually using them if I'm not going to use them in blueprints. So, I'm just going to quickly just skim through this article. I don't need that. So it's for reflection purposes? I mean, that makes sense. Yeah, but do I actually need this? I feel like I don't even need this stuff, do I? Yeah, I don't think I need it. I'll worry about it later. I don't think I need it though. Same with the U function. I feel like when to use. Let's bookmark it. Function. Whoa, what the? Garbage management? That's what I thought. Oh, I definitely need that. I think it's fine for the variables. I don't need it. Okay. Yeah, I figured. Alright, let's, I think, though, I actually will need it to bind the function, though, but I could be very wrong about that. Now, what I'm gonna find out, though, is... I think, though, for this, I'm gonna need... I actually don't think this will compile, so... Because I think for this, I need a U function, I'm pretty sure. Well, wait. Where'd that come from? Yeah, I think you're right. I'm just doing this as a test. I don't think we're going to hear that beautiful noise just so soon, but... Oh, maybe we will. It's going. No, it's not. Oh, I didn't pass anything. You can just get rid of these for now. I don't even know why I'm passing them in, honestly, because I have access to the text boxes anyway, so I probably shouldn't have even done that in the first place. I actually don't know. We'll find out. This is a good test. We'll see if I even need it. Melis was right. Don't need it. Melis was right. Melis was right. I'm a terrible singer. Okay, alright, that's easy. So I'll make a... I did. Yeah. No, you were right, Melis. I didn't need it. It was just a test. Okay, G engine print. Yes, add. Let's use this. I don't like. I'm not a big fan of that color. Oh. I'm just gonna print out the values in the text boxes real quick, just make sure we're on a good track. Keep on singing. Maybe. Suitable to F string. Oh, it's F text. Can I just do dot? Whoa, what is this? Why is there a star by it now? That's weird. You should lobby. Yes, Mario. I agree. My number key? What does this mean? Not passing -1, so each time through we'll update the existing message instead of making a new one. No, I definitely want -1 then. Can I do red? I'm a big red guy. F string, we'll do one for... Yes, Mario. Anchor, happy Sunday. I can't believe that. I can't believe it's Sunday where you are. That is crazy. Yes, Mario, I agree. More sound would be good as well. Gotta take it one step at a time, though. I didn't know that, Amelis. Thank you. That's actually pretty cool. All right, let's hear that sound one more time, please. We want to hear that debug sound. Is that new, the star, or has that just always been there? I don't even remember that stuff. Wait, what? Well, it didn't work. Is this a static method? Is that why? Time travel is possible. Where is Baraka, man? Baraka would love that time travel joke right now. I don't think this is gonna work. It's not taking. All right, I'm literally just gonna Google it. Oh my goodness. F text to F string. Yes, please. No, I want to convert it. String handling. Banana, why is it the end of YouTube for you? That was so sudden. I did do that two string. Oh, I think I understand my mistake. Maybe. This? It's a method. Peace, Banana. I'll look at your channel. Oh, that beautiful ringing noise. Alright, I'm gonna Turn off the desktop audio. I'm gonna wait, Amelis, why did you mention that? Did I show a linear regression chart somewhere? But Banana, I'm sad to hear that, Banana, actually. I'm gonna go look at your channel. I'm gonna see why. Real quick. Take a quick break. Alright guys, I'm gonna quickly watch this video that Banana has about leaving YouTube real quick. Hopefully it doesn't burn my ears, please. It's only 2 minutes. Is this an April Fool's joke? I'm sorry, Banana. That was a really sad video. Nicholas, hey, how you doing? Banana, I'm really sad to. Amelis, I feel you, dude, because AI is kind of. I mean, you know this. You're in the industry as well. I mean, AI is the most overblown, overused term. It's crazy. Okay, so let's see, let's make sure we're good here. Oh no, I think it crashed. No, oh. Guys, you have no idea. I get so scared when Unreal just lags a bit, because when you hit play and it lags, I'm just like, oh, it definitely crashed. It's not printing. Oh, that sucks. Wait, did I compile this? Will you go to GDC? Where is GDC this year? I don't think so. Alright, definitely compile. Wait, am I doing development editor? I am doing development editor. GDC 2020. San Francisco. Ooh. That's not, honestly, that might not be bad. That could be an interesting vlog. I don't know, I gotta talk to Ryan about that. The passes are really expensive, though. Oh my god. This is what I'm looking at right now, guys. Since Nicholas brought up GDC, $2,400. Oh my goodness. 250 isn't terrible, but you have to get online now. No. I mean, this pass isn't that bad, honestly. You get access to all this. The question, like, why is... And honestly, even the Expo Plus isn't bad. You get the sponsored content, but then you have to pay an extra 1,000 just to get summit sessions, and I don't know what that is. Okay, that's interesting. Thank you for sharing that to me. Alright. This function isn't getting called, so that's kind of worrying me right now. Why is this not working? Wait. I think maybe this does have to be a U function. The rest are training sessions, I think. I want a scholarship? That's awesome, Nicholas. I see it, Millis. I see it. Yeah, I'd assume it was a lot of training. Okay, so multicast delegates have to be tagged with the ufunction property. That's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna... Okay, so that works. Let me remove those print statements. I don't need them anymore. Or actually, I'll just comment them out so that I don't, in case I forget the syntax. Okay, so I'm going to first let me... Okay, so I gotta do a lot of things for this to work. Menu widget.h. Let me make an f string. I don't even know what to call this. Google Discovery Doc Link. And I think it was this fella right here. The Discovery Doc. That's cool. Okay, so I'm gonna... Google this... Nope. So I'm going to... Okay, let's make a function called retrieve endpoints. So I'll make this a... I'll make this return a tmap. Oh yeah, what? I mean, besides the... Unless I need, like, the entire response, but I think all I need is... I really only need these two endpoints, and it doesn't seem like I need... Unless I want user info too, but I think at this point I don't need it. I guess you could argue, honestly, this stuff could be made into a plug. Like, this calling Google stuff could be a plugin, but... Eh. I might hold off on that, though. Actually, I'll think about it. Okay, yeah, I'll just make this retrieve endpoints for now. Okay. Let's write this. FHTTP. We're almost there. Is it FHTTP manager? I thought it was FHTTP. I thought it was FHTTP module, but I could be wrong. Hopefully you guys can help me out with the HTTP request stuff, especially the SSL stuff. I want to make sure I get that right. Retrieve endpoints. So, okay, so I have the URL. Let's look up... I'll look up your thing first, Anchor. You said FHTTP manager? Oh, that is a thing. So how do I use this? What's the difference, Anchor, between this and FHET module? I don't know which one to use. If you guys have any recommendations, I really don't understand. I thought this would be the... Oh, okay. I got you, Melis. So which class do I use then? Use FHTTP factory to create... Yes, Mario, I agree. I definitely need to do more brick modeling. But this is for tutorials. We'll get in the Fortnite clone later. Unreal Engine, how to make HTTP requests, C++. Maybe someone has a recommendation. Oh, okay. Here we go. We got a wiki. I love the wikis. There's 2 wikis. Is this one newer? They've been saying this for over a year now. I just want to keep that. They've literally been saying they've been working on the wiki. Not hating, but I'm just saying they've been working on it for a while, so just wanna get that, you know. I think they both use this. Is it the same? Baraka, my man. Welcome. I think this article is, I feel like, written better. Thank you, Baraka. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'll do this one. I'll use this article. I kind of like this one better, to be honest. Okay. I wish you could look at the edit history, see which ones like newer, but all right. Build. Let's add this stuff. Let's hear that sound one more time. We want to hear that ring sound. We want to hear the ring. I want to hear that ring. I want to hear the ring. Well, I added some dependencies, so this will take a long time to get that nice ring. Let's get that ring. It's taking a while to build. Okay, I guess I'll start reading the rest of it. Okay, includes, you also want to create some U-structs to use for JSON serialization. What? Oh, shoot. Return, can I just do return null for now? Or pointer? Does that work? Can I do that even? I don't think that's gonna work. I'll just make an empty map. I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. Yeah, I had a feeling. Endpoints it is. Breaky, hey, how you doing? Let's return an empty map. For everyone new who just joined, we're just working on making HTTP requests in Unreal Engine C++. I didn't hear the bell that time. Did you guys hear the bell from the compilation? The bell sound, my favorite. So we have to make... Do I need this stuff? Yeah, these guys have much different approaches. This guy's shorter, though. I don't think I need... I think that's a bit... I don't think I need that stuff. I think I think I can just use the default engine HTTP values, right? I think we're good. In terms of making ustructs for the parse to response, I don't think I need that. This guy made a whole HTTP service actor class. So, I mean, do I need all of that? I feel like that's a very excessive. Yeah, he's making a whole class. He's making like a play. I don't think we need all of that. I think an HTTP service. I think it's nice, it's clean, but I think it's a little excessive. I'm gonna go with this guy. Okay. HTTP actor. Definitely want this guy. Thanks for the water. Of course, Barack. Anytime for you. All right, so let's add that. Definitely want that. So he makes my HTTP call. Okay. Yeah, I agree, Melis. I agree. What are you guys doing meanwhile? Oh my God, Breaky, come on, man. Breaky, chill with that language, please. I'm giving you a warning. It's not nice. Okay, let's just move on. So he's using HTTP module. I'll just do that then. No, not that class. Class of HTTP module. And I'm literally just gonna do what he did. I don't even know if that's gonna work. Let me just compile that. Or I need the. Or I do it. I have the include statement, I guess. What was this guy's include statements? He had. Okay, same one. I think this is giving me an error. Oh, okay. I'll take that. I make it HTTP. I'm just gonna make it a little better name. Okay. Let's give a shout out to all the people who wrote these beautiful Unreal Engine wiki docs. They have helped me tremendously, so huge shout out. Got okay, and this is probably gonna have to be a. This will also probably have to be a U function as well. I'm not gonna make the request here. I'll make it here. So request. That we're almost there, Barack. Well, Barack. So here's the thing. I'll explain the flow in case you missed it. So the Google sign-in is just to get an OAuth token from Google. This OAuth token will be used to be sent to Cognito, and then Cognito will give us temporary AWS credentials, and we'll use those AWS credentials to call APIs on API Gateway. And those APIs should have a Lambda function that will handle all of our GameLift matchmaking stuff, so that in the end, when we send requests to this API on API Gateway, we'll hopefully get like a response containing the connection information that we need, our clients need to join the game. So it's not really like signing in, because it's really more for just authorization. Basically, I'm kind of just making a simple way for, people to play games, but to be authenticated in some kind of way. Again, it's in my opinion, it's like a middle ground between like no authentication and like full on authentication. So in reality, it's not really authentication in my opinion. So yeah. Okay. So we'll do. Definitely gonna make that function. So he made this on response received. Okay, let's copy that. I think that's fine. Okay. So on response received. Yes, Anchor. That's actually a perfect way to sum it up. We're doing all this so that we expose less to the client. It's kind of like that black box principle. I don't know if you've ever heard of that. Um, what's the method signature for that? And this. I was surprised. He doesn't have this as a ufunction method. I thought multicast delegates. I thought, okay. Alright, if it's not a ufunction, it's not a ufunction. I would think because you're binding it, it would this response received method would be like, I'll put it right here. I would think that I agree. Simplicity. There is no such thing as simplicity. Haha. I'm kidding. Alright. Issue. Good. FJSON object. Okay, I need those. Includes. Oh god. How does he even use them? He doesn't even have the JSON includes. I actually have to get the JSON includes from this guy. I don't know which one I need though. JSON reader. I'll just import both of them for now. Alright, I don't think I need these Kismet libraries. Why do I have the Kismet libraries? Oh, I think I had the Kismet libraries at one point because before, when I was calling GameLift functions directly in the client, I was generating random IDs, like random numbers. I know one of those include statements was for that, so I think we're good. JSON object. Let's do fstring. We want this authorization endpoint and token endpoint. All right. I'm just gonna call it auth endpoint. String field. Authorization endpoint. Wait, but it's enclosed in like some big object, right? No, it's not. Perfect. And then I want the token should I even let's just test this. I want to see. Okay, let's see if this builds. Let's see if we hear that nice ringing sound. We want to hear that nice ringing sound. Am I right, guys? nice ringing sound. Want to hear that? That is not the nice ringing sound. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, do I need the classes for all of these? I think. Wait, is this not real? Is this like just not a real thing anymore? No, it definitely. Wait, what does that mean? Syntax error? Wait. What? I'm so confused. There's like some. Wait. There's like some weird. Yes, Baraka, we're working on that. Okay, there's something wrong with the syntax of this function. We're working on it, Baraka. Don't worry. We're working on it. We're working on it. Wait, why is that wrong? I'm following this guy exactly. What is wrong with the syntax of this? Include? That's what I'm thinking. I mean, I shouldn't need an include for this, right? I'll add it. I don't think... Will that fix it? I think it's something else. Something's wrong. Something's wrong with this method. That's what I thought. I don't know. Yeah, it's not that. What is the issue? Oh, okay, now it's complaining about this. Is it the include? I thought I was always told, though, not to include... Like, you should try to minimize the amount of include statements in your header classes to follow, like, IWYU, include what you use. But it seems like it's gonna work now, so no, it's not. What? Is that not what he did? Huh? What? Oh, you. Oh, mate, that. That's why I was complaining before. Sorry about that, guys. I don't think I need this. We're good, I think. We're good. We're good. I was missing the U, guys. Oh my goodness. That's a new move right there. Rookie mistake, guys. Sorry about that. Maybe not. JK. Let's include that back. Let's include that back. I feel like I shouldn't have to have that include statement in there, so that's kind of weird. I really shouldn't need that. I really should not need that include statement. Yeah, I really should not need that. Hold on, let me delete this. Why is that a thing? Yeah, I really should not need that. Let me try something real quick. Also, while I'm at it, I'll do the same thing for FHTTP form, FHTTP module, so I can get the include statement. Yeah. Definitely want shorter include statements. Let me run that again, and I'm gonna Google the error. I know it's not that important, but I just want to look at it, guys, because technically you're not supposed to need that. This include statement. I know. You really shouldn't need that. Okay. Oh. Chair reveal? Should I do a chair reveal? I don't think you guys want to see this chair. This chair is kind of disgusting. It's really old. Like the leather. I don't even know what it's made out of. The like it's peeling off. I don't know if you guys want to see that. The chair. I think it's because I forgot what these things are called, but like they recommend in your header class you include more of these than include statements, so I don't know. Chair reveal. Do you guys want to see the chair? The chair's kind of disgusting. Is it 399? I don't get what that means. I'm sorry, Baraka. Alright, definitely need this. Oh, does the matter order? It sounds good, sir. What is 399? Let me copy this real quick. I'm just curious. Oh, that's way too. Syntax error identifier. Syntax error identifier. FHTTP response pure per. Yeah, it's definitely recursive inclusion. It's a PewDiePie. I've heard of the 399 before. Change your Doko. Oh. I think that's. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I ignored you, Anchor. I'm sorry. Wait, no, there is already Pragma ones. So why is it? I don't know if it's the order. This is weird. I've never seen something like this. Let me go back. I'm gonna Google Unreal Engine for this error. Why does this happen? This is a million, Baraka? This is nothing. This is nothing, Baraka. Come on. I'll close some. And by some, I'll... Actually, I can close that one, too. Apparently it doesn't know... Yeah, so I think... It shouldn't really... Because if I include it here, then I won't need it. Alright, for now, I'm just going to remove the include from... I don't even need this anymore, technically. Because if I have the include statement here, then I definitely don't need it in the C++ file. And I don't need the for declarations. That's what these are called. They're called for declarations. So I'm going to write a note in the menu widget header file. I can't seem to get for declaration for FHTTP response per to work. So I added a header include to the header file. Yes, JSON utilities is include. I include in the C++ file. Or include for http.h. Yeah, like that'll work. I just don't really like it. What if I just did class FHTTP? I'm just curious. I'm just experimenting, guys, with include statements. I know I'm like the biggest nerd ever, but I'm just like curious. Like I want to know why it doesn't work. What is this? Yeah, so now it's complaining about that. Is it because... So if I add that back... Sorry if this is boring, guys. I'm just like really curious about this. Okay, now it's complaining about this. Oh, wait. I think I know the reason. Guys, I'm an idiot. I thought these two parameters were exactly the same. Like, I thought they both said request point. Guys, I'm a dummy. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah. I can't believe you guys put up with me. I'm just terrible. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Yeah, that should work now. I was wondering, is for declarations always work? That's the point of them. Oh my goodness. Alright, we can get rid of that one. That one... I'll get rid of these for now. Oh no. Got a semicolon. Alright, this has to work. We should hear that nice ringing sound. I'm waiting for the ringing sound. No, it isn't. It is a new mistake, Mills. Wait. It's still happening? Wait. Let me... What's going on here? $60... So it's saying cannot open... That's fine. Is it this line? Let me just comment out this entire method real quick. I'm so confused, guys. I don't know what's going on. Okay, this one I might be able to Google. FHTTP request pointer. What is this? Redefinition, different basic types. Different basic types. Yes, what is this? Unreal Engine. Let's look at this. Let's try to. It happens in C++ world. Yes, it does. But mine isn't a function, mine is a variable. This is really weird. I'm actually very curious about why this is even happening. So if I get rid of one, it's gonna complain, I think, right? What if I just did class FHTTP like this? I'm not gonna save this, but I think I tried this already, but see, now it's complaining that FHTTP request pointer doesn't exist, but it's already complaining about the redefinition. Baraka, come on. That's not what we want to hear, Baraka. Is anyone we want to hear? I'm just going to add a for declaration for FHTTP and see if that just imports everything I need. I highly doubt it, but yeah, I highly doubt it. Highly doubt that. I guess for now, I guess I got no choice. I think I just gotta man up and take my loss, take my sorrows with me. I really don't know why that is. That's really weird. Wait, Anchor, are you saying add a for declaration for runtime, or? I don't think that's what you meant, but I'm just gonna add this. And then I technically don't even need this anymore. We're just gonna run that for now. That's really weird. Alright, I want to hear that noise. I want to hear that nice, beautiful noise. That's so weird. I really don't know why that didn't work, but we gotta move on. I wasted a lot of time, and I do tend to waste time, so let's just move on. Okay, let me run this now, and on response received. Okay, wait. Are you guys hearing the ringing noise, guys? Oh, because I had the game running that whole time. There we go, guys. There we go. That's what we want to hear. We want to hear that ringing noise. You know why it's not running, guys? Because it's not a U function. I bet that's literally the reason. Gotta make that. I think that's the reason. I think it's because it's not a U function. I think we're good now, Anchor. Ooh, unrec. Ooh. That's why it's not working. Or that's why it's not a U function. Oh, I didn't even run the request yet. That's why. Okay. I didn't even run the request. I was like, what? What? I mean, it's just a GET request, right? So I'll just set the verb and the URL. I'll literally just copy what this guy has. I'll do the Google Discovery Doc link. I'm gonna call this URL actually. Yes, Baraka, just for you. I'll do it just for you. I'm gonna change this to URL though. Agent. I'm not Melis. I wasn't. I'm an idiot. That's why. Okay, let's run it now. Or let's build it. And let's hear that. Let's turn it off. Let's hear that sweet sound. That sweet sound. Hear that sweet, sweet sound. Definitely want to. Sweet sound. Perfect. That was actually pretty fast. Also, I like that green color. I'm going to change all my... I'm going to change it to green. I like green, actually. Green looks nice. And -1... 5.0, 2 seconds was not that long. Okay, so I'm gonna use the bathroom. Gotta do number 2, so it might take a while, guys. So take a break, stretch, and I will be back. I'm back, guys. Shoot. That sucks. I think a bunch of people left. Anyone still here? Sorry about that, guys. I didn't mean to go out for too long. Let me read these messages in the meantime. Reveal something. I will, Baraka. I will review something. Okay. Congratulations on 1K. Thank you, Banana. Thank you for the congrats. I think he isn't coming back. I'm back. He slept. He has sunk into the infinite abyss of the toilet. Imagine Chris getting married, having kids, retiring at 90 years old, and he remembers he left the stream on. Frogman, I love your jokes. Honestly, and I'm not just saying this, it's actually really funny. I really find them humorous. Alright, well, let's just continue. Sorry I took a while. Happens. Okay, so this is obviously this HTTP request is asynchronous. So, this is gonna be tough. I guess I might need F events then. Because what happens if I don't use an F event? I think I might need F events again. Unreal Engine C++ multi-threading. Looks like we're going back to threads. And we'll get rid of some of these. Get rid of some of these things. Oh, man, I hope Baraka and Anchor didn't leave. I love having all you guys, honestly. Okay, so alright. What should I do? There's a couple ways I could go about this. Because I definitely need to wait for the response to finish. I'll look up Unreal Engine, how to wait until HTTP request finishes. C++. Hey, Baraka. Alright. That's all I need to hear. Glad to hear you're still here. Hope Anchor's here as well. Anchor. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Okay. So, on response received. How should I do this? How should I do this? I mean, do I really need multi-threading for this, honestly? I don't, Amillis. Honestly, you're right. I don't need it to wait. Login button. Set enabled. False. Let me disable button. And I'll renable it at the very end. Okay, so on response received. I think my original idea, Mills, was to make this a little more modular, like just write like one general on response receive function for like all the requests made. Do I really care about that though? Yeah, but multi-threading might be a little... I don't think it's worth implementing multi-threading here. Or not, I don't know. Yeah, I guess it's kind of called multi-threading, I guess, technically. I could either make this more modular and use F events and make the code wait for each request to finish. I don't think that's really that worth it though. Yeah, I don't think it's that worth it. Okay, let's keep going. Do that. Gotta do the basics, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I think the only reason why I bring that up is because I make like web apps at work, so I mean I'm sure you know about callback hell and Millis, but I don't. But now that I think about how this is going to be written, I don't think callback hell is a thing in here. But for anyone who's coding in JavaScript, I'm sure they know all about callback hell. So definitely but I don't think this is really that. I don't think this is that bad. All right, so I'll make custom methods. So retrieve. I'll call this endpoints. 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 Is endpoint one word? It is. Okay, then I'm gonna make this just one word. Endpoints. Endpoints. Just make this endpoints. I code like a lot. I mean, I didn't mean it like that, but I code like in various languages. To be quite honest with you, it's actually mostly Java. Yeah. But I do a little bit. I do a little JavaScript. My work is kind of very diverse, if that makes sense. But yeah, I was just thinking about callback hell. I'm a big promise guy, if you know what I mean, Emilus. I'm a big promise guy. Okay, retrieve endpoints. Honestly, I shouldn't even call this retrieve endpoints then. I should just call this. I should literally just make this one function then. Retrieve. Wait, let me. I'm gonna call this OpenID token. Baraka. So, it's funny you mentioned that. I'm going to get a little political here. I don't like getting political. But, so, when that all situation happened like a month ago, I was actually very afraid. But then when Iran, their government accidentally. Anytime, Amilis. So But then Iran's government shot down a random plane, and then their people started rioting, like the Iranian public. They kind of turned against their own government. So now it's very divided there. So I don't think there will be a World War III, at least with Iran. Honestly, the only way World War III will ever happen, it has to be with China and the US. There's no other way. Iran is still very small. Even though Russia would actually back them, it won't lead anywhere. So, not worried. Iran has no infrastructure, and there won't be a World War III. At least anytime soon. Anytime soon. OpenID token. Retrieve OpenID token. On endpoints, response received. Okay, we'll do that. But to be honest, Emilus, you probably know a lot more than me. So, yeah, like, I would not deny it. Oh, I guess I technically do need it to wait, though. Do I need to wait? And I don't even need this to return anything, honestly. I just make it all callbacks. I'll literally just make this. Yeah, honestly, I don't even need this extra function. I can literally just do everything in login. I don't even know what I'm doing. We would make a great troop. Baraka. I would love to go to battle with you, Baraka. I would constantly laugh. Oh man, you don't like web app coding? Unfortunate. I'm a big fan. Alright, retrieve endpoints. Then I'll actually name this endpoint points request. Send a GET request to Google Discovery document to retrieve endpoints. On endpoints, response received. Process this request. So I'm gonna get. Oh, but I actually do have to wait. I'm gonna do token endpoint. Okay. This is token endpoint, I believe. Token endpoint. And I'm just gonna print that out. Just make sure we got that. What is deserialize return? Deserialize? Deserializer Unreal Engine. It returns a Boolean. So I guess if it can't parse it, then I'm obviously gonna just. I'm just gonna set it back to. I'm just gonna rename the button. Okay, let's just build this. Oh, but actually, in this case, I just realized. Baraka, that would not be fun. If I'm gonna be honest. I want to build. Boop. I gotta build it. Why do I have these on? Heck. Oh. Rename this. Rename this. named a lot of stuff. I'm mad about that. Yeah, when spawning in Iran with no gear. Jeez Louise. Semicolon. I'm running low on water. Oh, beautiful noise, beautiful noise. Alright, let's run it this time. Okay. Alright, so I gotta make another function now. This is gonna get quite tricky. So this is the annoying part, I guess you could say, and I'm gonna get rid of this. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Okay, so now we're gonna send a post request to, let me just make sure, what do we want here? Specify your app's client ID. I know it's one of these Google links. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. Access to other. Obtain use no. Let's do exchange code for access token. Send an authentication request. Okay, so first, send the post request. That is wrong. Send the get request to Google's authentication endpoint to get a code. Okay, so I have to add, how do I add like well, I'll worry about that later. So auth request, we're gonna do that, we're gonna do that. Let's make a new endpoint. Auth response received, and we gotta make that function now. Okay, literally the same code. This can honestly be made into a plugin. I just don't know if I have that patience at this point to do that. Okay, we're gonna get rid of that here. We're gonna get rid of this stuff. That's what, wait. That is what this guy said. I agree, Melis, it's kind of weird, to be honest with you. I gotta go back to, I don't need multi-threading anymore, I don't need this. How do I add... Let me Google this. How do I add like parameters, I guess? Set header, so verb. Set content? Oh, wait, true. Wait, but that's a good point though, Amelis. If it's a GET request. Wait. I'm actually kind of... If it's a GET request. How do I add parameters then? I can't set content. Or wait, can I? Usually only set for... Yeah, because technically for GET requests, you don't really send parameters. How does this guy set parameters? Does he have an example? Parameters. Is it a header in this case though, or I kind of want to set the body though. It'll have to be headers. Okay. Let's go with that. On auth. Response received set URL. Okay, it's gonna be an auth endpoint. Let's call it the auth point URL. Okay, because I'm probably not using F events here, I'm gonna set a weird header just so that I have it. I'm gonna set the token endpoint URL because I see in response received I have access to the request, and in the next response received I'm gonna have to call the token endpoint URL, so I'm gonna need access to it anyway, unless I could store it locally as well. Like I could literally just make like a variable, a property menu widget. Should I just do that? I think I'm gonna do that. Kind of throwing out like good practices right now, to be honest. We'll just do that. So I don't need that. Okay, this is kind of the weird part. Why does he have... I don't think you need this. I don't think you need that. Do I need this? What? Wait, actually, let me... Before I move forward, let me see if I need that stuff, because... I don't think I need that stuff. I was talking about the text in all caps. I don't think I need that. Let's try it. This might return some errors though, so I'm kind of afraid. Okay. Oh, forgot to rename this method. Morocco, why'd you call me? You can always text the stream. I'm always here, baby. Let's hear that ringing noise again. Music. And that's fine, because I got rid of that other piece of code. Okay, that's fine. I don't know why you had that stuff there. Okay, Did I really set this as a header? Okay. Alright, guys, I'm gonna... Alright, guys, I'm gonna trust you guys. I'm about to leak some sensitive information. And by sensitive information, I mean my project's client, my Google Projects OAuth client ID secret. So, this is a test project anyway, so it's probably fine, to be quite honest, but what the hey. So it takes in client ID. I think that's really all I need, right? I'll just copy this guy, so I don't have to keep going back and forth. Oh, what the, oh. Do I have to do it that way? Yes, Baraka, New Jersey. That's where I'm located. All right. Yeah, I guess I could do that. I guess I could make the URL like ugly. Is that really the only way, though? Even if it is a post request, though, how do I wish... The FHTTP module doesn't really have, like, a good way of... Or not the module, the request, right? It doesn't have a good way to... Doesn't really have a way to make a body. I'll just Google it, honestly. Unreal Engine HTTP request body. Let me look at post request. Post. Ooh. That's true. Wait, I think I can still do that. I think I can still do that. Wait. I think I can still do that. Wait, let me just make sure content... Is content the same as body? I don't usually use like the word content, so... Oh, okay. Yeah, it's the same. I actually don't know, Millis, because it says here... Let's find out. Set content as string. We'll do it. We'll do it. F string... Okay, there's definitely some kind of like good JSON serialization libraries here. Wait, JSON map? Wait, tmap JSON serialization Unreal Engine. I can just make a map and then just serialize that as a JSON string. Can I do that? Or I can just make a JSON object, right? I can do that. Can I just do that? I can just make a JSON object? Let me just look up if JSON object. I can set, okay, I can set fields. Okay, then I'll just do that. Let's do that. Auth request object dot set field should take what, 2 parameters? Response type, code. Show watch, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know how, I'm not a big PHP guy. But hopefully this will help you in the future. Alright guys, sensitive information about to come after I do the rest of these. I don't care if it leaks, honestly, it's a test project, so if I get hacked somehow, I'll get hacked. Scope, open ID. Wait. Open ID. I'm so confused. What parameters does this take? Scope, OpenID, email. Okay, OpenID, email. Redirect URI. Do I need this field? Alright, this looks like it's going to be hard-coded probably. I'll literally just hard-code it right now for now, because I don't really know. This is completely wrong, but whatever. And then I have to set this in my credentials as well. Google Developer Console. God, there are so many steps. This is going to be a crazy, crazy tutorial. Make sure to set the redirect URI in for your OAuth 2.0 credential. No, I don't have a Linux server. That's why I'm using Amazon. Would I ever set up my own hosting company? No, because I work with distributed computing technologies. It's really difficult, honestly, to manage like servers. Um, so no, I would never start my own hosting company. That's very hard. That's on a whole nother level. I don't think I ever would, to be honest. I would work for one. Like if AWS hit me up, I'd be like, "Hello, please hire me." I mean, if they wanted to, I don't know. But okay, so I'm still making this JSON object redirect state. What is state? State? I don't have a state, so no state. Hopefully that doesn't give me an issue. Login hint? I don't think I need HC. Vaps, I'm sorry, man. Fortnite clone is just not in a playable state right now. I promise, though, after these tutorials are done, we will get on it full train, full steam ahead. Login hint? Okay, so I definitely need that. Definitely need that one. I agree, Baraka. I do agree with that. I think there should be. I just think there should be that. Alright, that. We're gonna get this stuff here. I need that. Send the email. Oh, no. Email. HD. I don't think I need that. Nonce. So I do need a random number. Oh boy. Random. Alright, let me just Google that then. Unreal Engine, random numbers, C++. I think Unreal Engine has like a decent seed for random numbers. I could be wrong about that though. No, it's all right. Let me post the sensitive information that I was talking about earlier. So for the client ID, it has to be from my project's OAuth client ID. So here it is, guys. Sensitive information. Ooh. I know. Isn't that crazy? Again, Amelis, I think, made a great point just for the sake of tutorial. Vaps, I agree with you, but maybe not now because the game's broken. But thank you. I don't know. I don't think that's true that Fortnite clone's better, but thank you. But yeah. Yeah. Like Amelis said, I think there's nothing really to worry about, honestly. I think just hard coding it for now is it's not really a problem. Nonce. So this, I need a random number. Great. So for that, I need... What's the import for this? Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna make a method for this. generate random ID. I agree, Vaps. Make Fortnite clone great again. Baraka. Absolutely. Absolutely. We definitely need artists. Because the game kind of looks a little poo right now. F math. Let's do ran range. Definitely not a great way to don't recommend doing this to make a random ID. Random number from 0 to 100,000. Ooh, actually, I don't want to make this a string. Or I don't want this to be a void method. I want this to absolutely be a return something. And then I'll return let's do generate random ID. Alright. Okay. Wait, can I actually just make a body from this? Can I just set, wait, where am I? I don't think I need that anymore. I don't think I need this. This is HC, what is this? Oh, that's the manager, don't need that. So can I make a string out of this? I need to make a, probably this. I think I use this even. FJSON serializer. JSON object. JSON object to, what do I got? That's it? I think I need to use a serializer, honestly. Okay. I need to Google this. Unreal Engine, C++, how to serialize JSON object. Thank you. Carles Gutierrez, you are a beast for your contribution to Stack Overflow. Much appreciated. Okay, we're redo that. I really hope this isn't a huge waste of time. Writer, serialize, JSON object. So he made this a, whoa. T shared ref. I don't know why this is messed up. I didn't know the arrows are blue now. That's cool. I don't think they were always blue like that. Okay, OpenID, email, JSON, create, if. I'm gonna make this a separate thing. I don't want to embed an if statement in another if statement. So let's take some stuff out. We don't need that. We definitely don't need that. Okay, let's do that. Ooh, wait, no. Not all of that. I only need. But I need the request body. I guess I do have to embed it. Alright. Guess I will. Okay, auth request body, create auth request body. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't know, I'll add like maybe something here. Hate it. I don't really know what else to do right now, so I'll just build it, see what we get. Highly doubt this is gonna work. Oh, that's not good. What? Oh, set string field. I was like, what is wrong? Ooh. Let's see. I don't think it definitely crashed. Definitely crashed. There's no way. Yep. Please do not use it. What does this mean? The T shared ref constructor is for internal usage only for hot reload purposes. RIP. Is it because I didn't follow him exactly? Was I supposed to do this? That's probably why. All right, let me make sure I do that this time. That's probably why I crashed. It's getting a little dark. You can tell from the stream. Skip restore. I don't think I really lost anything from that. I can't even play it. Okay. I don't know what that's all about. So he did make shareable new JSON object. I'll just copy that. Let's build that. That's really weird. Hey, first crash of the day. It's true. First crash of the day. Oh, love the ringing noise. Okay, that worked, but I don't think it made it. Let's see. Let's see if it was even successful. Because I don't think it's successful. I think I screwed something up. Also, I might use a dummy email. Well, actually, I can use my public email for my LinkedIn. Honestly, I think because right now it could be failing because I'm literally using like a dummy email. Oh wait, it's not even making it there. Ooh, it might be failing on the serialization. That would suck. I think that's what's going on right now. I think the serialization is most likely failing. Really? Ooh, where is it? Ooh, maybe it can't deserialize the response from the authentication request. There's so many cases with this, it's crazy. I think it's probably this. Yeah. Okay. So I don't. How's that possible? Wait, isn't that? It's JSON. Okay, it's JSON. All right. I don't know why the deserialization would fail. Let me input like an actual email, like, and I can use my LinkedIn email. Maybe I can just use any email that exists. Honestly, I could literally just use. I can literally just use. For now, I mean, eventually I'll use like a real email and a real password and stuff. Okay, so it doesn't even matter. It's. But I wanna, cause I think I can. I'll use a real email though in the future. That I actually do look at, but I don't mind if it gets. I don't mind if like it leaks because it's already it's already out there. It's definitely. Do I not have my email here? Wait. Do I have it? Print the response before deserialization. I don't know what to print though. Oh, okay. Yeah, actually I can print it. Before I do that though, I wanna find my email because I wanna use that later, honestly. What the heck? Where is it? Do I just not have it? Man, I want that to be public anyway, to be honest. Where's email? Email. Okay. So let's look at what we got. What was that? Your client has issued a malformed or illegal request. That's all we know. Okay. I found the email I'm gonna use for later. But on that note, I think I'm gonna stop the stream. I think I'm gonna take another break. Because I don't want these streams to get too long, but I'll definitely be streaming again later tonight. I'll definitely be thinking about this. It says my request is now form. Yeah, I mean, I can just show it again. I'll make it last longer this time, and I'll end the stream on that so that people can look back and, you know, um, we can look back on it. Like, anyone can just watch, like, literally the last few minutes of the stream. And then we can kind of debug together as I kind of go. So I'll let you guys look at that. And that'll be it for now, guys. I'm going to sign out. I will be streaming again later, like today. So it could be like a few hours. So thank you guys for tuning in, but I will be back. See ya.